Okay, confession time. I was playing one time and my cart was moving so slow. The girl walking behind me was getting mad. If your cart is suddenly acting like a grandma on a Sunday drive, stop blaming the motor. It's usually 3 things you totally forgot. First, look down. I guarantee you haven't tracked your tire pressure since last year. Squishy tires are the biggest energy thief out there. They create insane drag, forcing the motors to strain for every single inch. Seriously, grab a gauge, pump those things up. You'll instantly feel like you got a speed boost. Next, let's be real about the stuff you're hauling. Is there a full beer cooler, half the pro shop inventory, and 3 people who definitely shouldn't be sharing the cart? Every extra pound is just that weight that kills your top speed. It's a golf cart, not a moving truck. Seriously, lighten the road or just accept the no life. Finally, the hidden secret, the governor. Every cart has one. It's a sneaky little device meant to cap your speed. But if it's messed up or too tight, it literally chokes the engine. If your tires are good and the cart is empty, this is where you need a quick adjustment. That usually means calling a pro, but it's a tiny fix for a huge difference. So, before you panic and order a new battery, tires, weight, governor, check those 3 things. Do it this week. Let me know in the comments which one was the real problem for you.